Hello Skywinders, welcome to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode we're going to be looking at this right here, the iPad Pro, which I think it's a fake one. And the reason why I think it's fake is because I went to the store and they gave me this bag right here and it's all dirty. It's all dirty and I don't believe it's real, but we're gonna find out if it's real or not. Okay, so the next step is to open it up. So we pull out the box. Those are the instructions. And this is an iPad Pro. And I keep seeing these little dots which make me think that this is a fake product. But I did go to the Apple store and get it directly from them. So I wouldn't think it's fake. It shouldn't be fake. And I paid a lot of money. I'll put the amount on the screen because I don't remember the exact amount. But let's take a look. Oh, never mind. So that's kind of nice. So I didn't need this. What else? What else? How do you open this? How do you open a fake iPad? Ooh. Well, the inside is clean. So maybe it is a real iPad. Ooh. I think I might have gotten it dirty. Yeah, that was me right there. So yeah, I think this is real. I was a little worried. I was thinking I'm gonna have to go back to the store and return this, or at least swap it for something else. So once you open it up, first thing I notice is this right here, these terminals, which I'm thinking is some sort of a charging connection thing. And I noticed this right here, which is probably a magnetic thing that you would put on a stand or a case. On the top I noticed the power button and some speakers left and right. And on the left there's only this button, this hole right there. I don't know what that's for, and I'm not gonna worry about it. And the bottom has this holes, which I think it's a microphone or a vent, and it has that reversible connection, the USB type C, or it might be it's a USB type C. So in the box we get this right here, which says it was designed by Apple in California. I'm happy that it was designed by Apple. I'd be worried if it was designed by Sony in California. So that's kind of a dumb statement right there. Designed by Apple. Of course it was designed by Apple. Sony doesn't design things for... They give you a lot of trash. I mean, who's gonna put this in the car? Not me. So sometimes I think Apple likes to... they have a lot of trash sitting around, so they just put it in boxes so you can throw it away. Because none of this is useful for anything. So it says it has Face ID as a control center. So all this technology, if you can call it that, we've seen this before. I'm not taking it lightly, but I'm not shocked by it, especially when you pay that kind of money for an iPad. And over here you have the reversible USB type C that we talked about, and we have a gigantic power adapter, which I'm assuming is some at least 3 amps. It could be more than that. And let me pause. 20 watt. So this is the real thing, and you're going to have a hard time replacing this if you lose it. because this is not your typical 1 amp or 2 amp charger. This is a 20-watt charger, and that's to be expected from this kind of heavy tablet. And when you look in the back, the first flaw that I notice is that this camera right there is sticking out like that. Let's zoom in. I can't zoom in, but you're gonna have to take my word for it. The camera is sticking up, so if you were to place the tablet like that, you're gonna have the tablet resting on top of the camera, which is I don't know why they designed it like that. They wanted to make it thin, but they could not make it. They could not put the camera and make it that thin, so they artificially made it thin. And hopefully if you buy this product, you're gonna be getting a case for it so you don't damage the camera. And I would strongly recommend that you do. There's nothing else here. So this is it, folks. Again, this is an unboxing video. It's not the actual review. So right now I'm going to pause the camera and I'm going to charge this. And I'm going to go over this, and if there's something noteworthy about any of this stuff, I'll let you know. So let me pause.